Kısa kes. Manifest, manifest, manifest. Yapıyoruz kızlarına manifest.
Rap, rap, rap. Dope song, guys. Hey, you, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm back again on this side. So I've seen where Manifest, the group with the amazing females, gave us a list of music on their Vivo, where it's like it's a album or a EP. I'm not sure what are they, but please correct me down in the comments. I can see where they have an intro. I can see where they have an outro. Okay, so I'm contemplating that it's an album. If it's not an album, probably it can be an EP. But regardless, I'll be reacting to Arem and Arman official dance video features Manifest. Alright, so with that being said, this is my first track, so stay tuned.
Manifest, Arem, Arman. Ow! Manifest, manifest, manifest. Yapıyoruz kızlarına manifest. Bizde cash, 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 cash. Money talks baby, hadi konuları kısa kes. Manifest, manifest, manifest. Yapıyoruz kızlarına manifest. Bizde cash, 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 cash. Money talks baby, hadi konuları kısa kes. Normale göre hayat biraz hızlı gidiyor.
You know, music like this is always good because their names speaks volume. Manifest, we have to speak things into manifestation. All right, so as all they're mentioning about money, we have to speak money in manifestation. Life's flowing a little faster than normal, so you know we have to speak money into manifestation. If we wanted to be rich, we have to speak the riches over our life, because the tongue can be very powerful. So speak righteousness and you'll receive righteousness. Speak money and you'll receive money. Speak blessings and you'll receive blessings. That's it. Just manifest. Very good name though.
Durdurma beni, ritmim kalbe iyi geliyor. Bak şimdi yolundayım, senin de umrundayım. Dudaklarıma fokus, acaba ne diyor? Uçak modundayım, arayan ulaşamaz. Tuzaklara ayık, ayağım hiç takılmaz. Biliyorum bana yazılmış bu.
I know this fate was written for me. Greatness. The fate of greatness. Nothing but greatness. An absolute greatness. So we have to speak greatness into manifestation.
Kadar gerek yok ki sana benim kızlar varken. Manifest, manifest, manifest. Yapıyoruz kızlarına manifest. Bizde cash, 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 cash. Money talks baby, hadi konuları kısa kes. Manifest, manifest, manifest. Yapıyoruz kızlarına manifest. Bizde cash, 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 cash. Mama money talks baby, hadi konuları kısa kes.
So they got the cash, right? They are rich. They have the money. Okay? Manifest, manifest, manifest. We got the cash, we got the cash, we got the cash. We get the point. Alright, so you know, with this music here and beyond, this is what the generation is chasing nowadays. Money. Alright? Everyone is just chasing the riches. But unfortunately, it's that everyone can be rich, while some will have the money, but not to be rich, but to can take care of your family. But regardless of that, once you are living healthy, once you're living righteously, you know, once you're doing something the right way to earn a living, then you're literally living a life. You have to give thanks regardless, bro. So let's continue.
Kapı gelirim aklına oğlum, modum düzelecek. Direksiyonu kırdım
So she's gonna pop up in the boy's mind. Alright? I swerved the wheel. It will be yours, breathless. Hmm. So they are manifesting riches, and their riches is now be manifest. So they want a guy that can literally leave him breathless. That can be perfect. I mean, like, yeah, the perfect guy.
Sesin bununla tükenecek. Nasıl bir durumdayım? Sen kış ben yazındayım. Resmin ortasındayım. Kafası gelecek.
Look at the state you're in. They are deep into winter. No, he's deep in the summer. Okay? So what they're basically saying is that, alright, they're rich. Alright, they're cold. They are very rich. Oh, they're rich. Their richness is like compared to coldness. Alright? But the guy's in summer. He probably is broke. Or probably he can able to afford some things not as affluent as all the manifest crew can. So that's why they're saying, hey, look into my riches. I'm like this. I'm in this position. So what else chance you have? Alright? It's gonna blow your mind. So yeah, their riches is gonna blow the guy's mind or blow the person's mind who they're referring to. And this is a very good thing as well. Big up yourself, guys.
Patlar TNT şarkılar on the radio. Işıklar parlar şöhret bizi seviyor. Patlar TNT şarkılar on the radio. Işıklar parlar şöhret bizi seviyor. Uçak modundayım hala.
I'm in airplane mode. No one can reach me. Definitely because of their riches. You know, it is a reference to their riches. It is a reference of, oh, you know, oh, they're very wealthy in money. Others who are not wealthy in their position can reach them. So yeah, just like when a phone is in flight mode, no call, no text, nothing like that, it cannot be passed through unless you allowed it to, unless you allowed some apps to be used while in flight mode. Speaking in reference here, you know, they are rich enough that, you know, they're comparing themselves to flight mode. Alright? Yeah, because they are untouchable. Your money that you're making a comparison with, it's no match for them.
Ulaşamaz. Uzaklara ayık ayağım hiç takılmaz. Biliyorum bana yazılmış bu kader. Gerek yok ki sana benim kızlar varken. Manifest, manifest, manifest. Yapıyoruz kızlarımla manifest. Bizde cash, 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 cash. Money talks baby, hadi konuları kısa kes. Manifest, manifest, manifest. Yapıyoruz kızlarımla manifest.
Rap! 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 Dope song, guys. Dope song, females. This is good. This is actually good. That's our vibe.
Bizde cash, 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 cash. Money talks baby, hadi konuları kısa kes.
Well done, guys. Well done. So stay tuned for the next track. You know, that song was literally a bummer because, you know, speak it into manifestation. Manifest riches, and riches will be manifested onto you. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe for the next reaction onto the next clips, the next songs. Just be here, guys. Peace.